In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive CRM to email a list. We're going to walk through the fastest method, which is using Pipedrive's group emailing feature. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up a targeted list of contacts, select them all at once, and send a personalized email to everyone in just a few clicks. First, start by opening Pipedrive and heading to your contacts. On the left-hand panel, look for the Contacts icon, then choose People. This is where all your individual contacts are stored. Before you send anything, you want to make sure you're reaching the right group, so we'll use filters to narrow down the list. At the top right of the People view, you'll see a filter icon. Click that and then select the specific filter that represents the list you want to email. This might be something like a saved segment of leads, customers in a certain stage, or contacts tagged with a particular label. Take a moment here to confirm that the list looks correct on screen. Scroll down, skim through the names and email addresses, and make sure these are truly the people you want to reach. Once your filtered list looks good, it's time to select everyone. At the very top of your contact list, you'll see a checkbox in the header row. Click that checkbox and Pipedrive will highlight all of the contacts currently shown in that filtered view. If your list is large, Pipedrive may ask if you want to select all results, not just the ones visible on the screen. Confirm that, so you're including the full list. After selecting your contacts, a toolbar appears at the top of the page. Look for the option that says Send Group Email and click it. This opens the Group Email Composer, where you'll create the message that goes out to everyone. Inside the composer, you can choose an existing email template if you've already set one up, or simply start typing your message from scratch. To make your emails feel more personal, use merge tags, such as the contact's first name or organization. These tags automatically pull in the correct details for each recipient, so every email looks like it was written just for them. When you're happy with the subject line, content, and personalization, give everything one last review, then click Send Messages. Pipedrive will deliver the email to all selected contacts, tracking it within the CRM so you can follow up later.